Hello, wagwan me people, welcome to my channel. My name is Elżbieta. I am a Czech girl with a Caribbean soul. Me love all Jamaican things, Jamaican food, Jamaican snack, Jamaican beer. So in this video I'm gonna be reviewing all these beautiful, lovely snacks and this beer, and let's just start with it. So this beer, I'm gonna start with the beer first. This beer is called Red Stripe, and it is the only Jamaican beer. Because I'm from Czech Republic, and for me it's quite fascinating to know that there is just one brewery in Jamaica, because in Czech Republic there is hundreds and hundreds of different breweries, because Czech people, they just love beer, they all about beer. So I'm gonna try this Jamaican beer called Red Stripe, the only Jamaican beer out there. So let's open this. Let's try it in another cup. Nice. Brewed in a Spanish Town Road in Kingston, yeah. So product of Jamaica, Red Stripe. Let's try it. Cheers. Oh yes, I like Red Stripe. Me like Red Stripe. I like Red Stripe very much. Do you know why? It is nice and refreshing beer. It's very like refreshing. It's not really bitter. It's more like a sweet beer. It's like a sweet watery beer. It's nice and refreshing. And when I'm drinking it, let me try again. When I drink it and I close my eyes, I just imagine myself on some Jamaican beach, drinking the Red Stripe, enjoying the sunshine, enjoying the hot air and the hot sea. So this is a perfect beer for Jamaica, I would say. It's very nice and refreshing. So for me, thumbs up. I enjoy it. I really like it. Okay. So the next thing what I am planning to try is a bun, spice bun. Now this is a very popular thing in Jamaica. Mostly I think is mostly popular for Easter. I don't know exactly the Easter tradition in Jamaica, but I know Jamaican people always making bun and cheese for the Easter with Milo, which is like a Jamaican hot chocolate. So I don't have a Milo at the moment. I just have the Red Stripe. I'm gonna just eat it with and drink the Red Stripe alongside of it. But I'm gonna make the bun and cheese the way how Jamaican people make it. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna open it. So it says is manufactured in Jamaica, product of Jamaica, from Halfway Tree Road in Kingston in Jamaica. So this is how the bun looks like. So what I need to do now, I need to cut it in the half, put butter and put the cheese. So let me get the things for it. Let me get it ready. Okay, everything is set up. I'm gonna have the bun now. This is how it looks like inside. Now I'm gonna butter it on each side. Butter it, and now I'm gonna cut the cheese and put the cheese in there. Now, I don't have a Jamaican cheese. I don't actually know, to tell you the truth, what cheese Jamaican people using for the bun and cheese. I'm just using my own cheese, but I guess Jamaican people have some special cheese what they use for bun and cheese. So let's just put the cheese inside the bun and let's give it a try. Now, I don't know how it's exactly going with the Easter tradition and bun. You can let me know in the comments what time or when the Jamaican people eating the bun. Is it for breakfast? I think it's maybe for the Easter day breakfast, because to me it seems like nice breakfast. Do you know what? It seems like a weird combination, spiced sweet bun with the cheese, but it goes together very well. It really fits together, it goes together well. So, you all know how cheese tastes like. So, cheese is in the middle, and the bun, I would say the bun tastes sweet. Something, I don't know how I should describe it, but I think there is some spices, like some cinnamon is there, and maybe ginger, it can be there. It's like a sweet bun, but the spices are there. I can still taste the spices in my mouth. It's like some cinnamon, some ginger, and some more spices in there. So that give it a nice hint. The spices give it a very nice hint, and then the cheese is like smooth it out. So that is a very nice combination. I actually cannot imagine eating bun just on its own, just dry. I really think it should be eaten with the cheese. It's a really good combination. Spice bun with cheese. Yeah, I don't know what exactly they put in there, what mixed spice. They didn't explain what spice, but I can see that there is some vanilla flavoring as well, banana flavoring. But they just said they put mixed spice. But I will guess it is cinnamon and ginger, maybe something more there. Oh. Let's put this on the side. Okay, as I'm gonna pour my red stripe, what I think would fit with it the most is the crisps. So this is a St. Mary's banana crisps. Oh, sorry, I said crisps because I'm speaking the British way, but this is called chips. That is the American way of saying it. So this is a banana chips, the original, so I get some original flavor. And in the back, I see that there is more different flavors. There's a plantain chips, extra crunchy chips, banana chips, original. Looks like even with some breadfruit is there. Look at the picture. So there is more flavors of these St. Mary's banana chips, but this is the original flavor. So I guess this is the most authentic flavor. And it says since 1929. Wow. So I believe they're gonna taste really good, because I know that this is like proper authentic Jamaican thing since 1929. Wow. It must be like one of the oldest companies in Jamaica, food companies. Very interesting. I'd like to find out some info about it. Okay, so as soon as I open it, it like the smell of the bananas came out. Very nice smell of like a fried banana came out of the packet. So already it smells like very nice and natural smell of the banana. Okay. So let's try it. This is how the chips looks like. Oh yeah. Yes, yes, yes. This is so good. This is so good. I love it. I love it. Oh my god, I love it. I love them. I'm not gonna lie. I had banana chips before. I did try banana chips before. But these ones are, they're the best. I knew that. Do you know how I knew that? Since I look at the year 1929, I knew that they're gonna be the best. This must be the best banana chips I ever tried in my life. They are so, how to describe it? It's like, they're so authentic. It tastes, okay, so how to describe it to someone who never had banana chips? I would say, the flavor, it has like the banana flavor, but also the fry flavor. So it's like, when you have the normal potato chips, it has a similar flavor to it, like a fried, like the potato chips, but also it has the flavor of the banana. So it's more like a tropical crisps, and it tastes really nice. And you know what? It goes very well with the beer as well. So for me, this has to be my favorite. This is my #1 so far. Wow. I need to try. Now I need to try some sweets. So now I need to try some sweets as well. So these ones are called honeycomb tamarind balls. It says honeycomb tamarind balls. Douse de tamarindo. Ooh, so why is it here in like a Spanish writing? That's interesting. So this must be going very far in the time to see that it has a Spanish writing. That seems really interesting. I would like to find out why there is a Spanish writing. I know there was a Spanish people in Jamaica before the British people, but is that so old? Is it so old from long times ago? Well, it says that it's called honeycomb, as you see. It has an even nice bee on it. But on the bottom it says, does not contain honey and is not recommended for children under 8 years. What do I? Oh, so that's why is it called tamarind balls, because it says the ingredients are tamarind and sugar. I really don't know what tamarind is. So I guess I'm gonna just find out now. How does it taste? This is how it looks like. It looks like jelly sweetie. Let me open it like this. Oh. I'm gonna try half of it because I'm a bit scared. It says not for children under the age of 8. What is that? What is that inside? No, this is not good surprise inside. There's actually seeds. I didn't know that. I didn't expect I will actually taste a seed there. Look, there's seeds inside. Okay. So that's the reason why small kids cannot eat it, because there are seeds. That is the surprise. Do you know what this is? This is nice. This is surprisingly nice. Another seed. So there was a 3 seeds in one bonbon. There was 3 seeds. Let's have a look on the seed. So now I think that tamarind is some kind of fruit. It tastes like a cherry or like a plum to me. I would like to find out what is it. I need to do some research. But this seems to me like it's some kind of cherry or plum, and they just basically put the sugar around it somehow, like somehow cook it with the sugar, but yeah, it tastes quite nice, surprisingly nice. I didn't expect it's gonna be tasting like this, because also it's called honeycomb. It doesn't taste like honey at all. Don't taste like honey. It's more tastes like a cherry with sugar. It has more like a sour taste and the sugar coated on it. Interesting. Interesting. Me never expect that to taste what I'm tasting. It tastes like cherry, basically, with sugar. Okay. That was not so bad. It was not so bad, but it's not one of my favorites. It's not really one of my favorites. It's like quite sour, but it's okay. It's okay. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. I guess it's okay. It still tastes nice. Okay, what am I gonna try now? This is called police buttons. Police buttons. Is it just for policeman and policewoman, or for anybody? I wonder why it's called police buttons. There must be some funny story about it. So this was made, it doesn't say where it was made. It just says product of Jamaica. Product of Jamaica. It says R&J pastries. The taste is nice and the price is right. And it says the original. Yeah, so let's try this. Let's give it a try. To me, it looks like something what we have in Czech Republic, which is called piškot, and it's usually for kids eating it. It's like some sponge what we have in Czech, but already this sounds like really hard things. It seems very hard. It seems very hard. Oh no. Is that gonna break my teeth? That is so hard. Guys, this is my least favorite. I'm sorry, but this is not passing my test. This is not passing my test. Just for the reason it's very hard. Like the taste is not so bad. It does taste a little bit like the Czech piškot, but the Czech piškot tastes a little bit more eggy. This seems like it was made from flour, salt. Oh, there's no egg. Flour, salt, sugar, baking soda, coconut flavor, and that's what I wanted to say. It tastes coconutty. Tastes like a pastry with coconut in there as well. It tastes quite nice and sweet and coconutty, but I am thinking, why is it so hard? Why is it so hard? It's really hard. Really, really hard. Look. Oh. Yeah, the taste is alright. But somehow this is my last favorite. And I wonder what if people just eat it just like this on its own. Or what I would do with it, because it's so hard, I would think of to put it like a base into some cake, you know, and like put it on the base on the cake and then put some cream on it and let it, you know, let it to soften out throughout the night in the fridge or something, because it's really hard. I wonder what Jamaican people, if they cook with it or something, if they make baking some cake with it or something, because I wouldn't buy it like a snack just to eat like this. It's my teeth is quite hurting now. They need to be careful, this company, so no one would sue them for broken teeth. Nobody. Maybe I'm eating it the wrong way. Let me know in the comments if people should just bite it like that or if it's some basin for some cake. So, I have two things left. What should I try now? I think I'm gonna go with the biscuits now. So, this is called Shirley Biscuits. So, I need to have some beer. So this is a Shirley Biscuits. Made in Barbados. So this is not, okay, wait. So this is made in Barbados, but distributed in Jamaica. So I'm guessing this is some collaboration between Barbados and Jamaica. So, that's why the blue and the yellow, that's Barbados color. Hey, now I know. So this is not like 100% authentic made in Jamaica, but people in Jamaica eat this and it's distributed in Jamaica. It's like a collaboration between Barbados and Jamaica. Okay, this is how it looks like. Oh, lovely. The biscuits are lovely. They have some nice house on it. Looks like some mill, some pretty mill from old times. So the biscuit looks nice. It tastes nice. Oh yes, I like this. Thumbs up for this one. This one's very nice. The coconut, that's why. Coconut give it a very nice flavor. And they're not even so dry. You know, like sometimes when you eat biscuits, they are like very dry. But these ones are not so dry somehow. They're really nice. With some lovely cup of tea, lovely cup of Milo. This must be so great. Yeah. So this is good. I kind of like this biscuit. I reckon I'm gonna have them with my cup of tea or a cup of hot chocolate, not with my beer. With the beer is really the best. This was my best of the best. I need to have some more. The crisps are just lovely. Okay. Let's move to the last thing. This is pasta candy. And me know say some Jamaican people, they will still make it. They make it a homemade, these candies. And I think it's quite easy to make it as well. It's not so many ingredients. It's based on 2 ingredients, I think so. I heard something about these candies, but I never tried it actually. So this is my first time trying it. First time revealing it, how it looks. Ooh, okay. This is how it looks. I have some liquid paper there upon it. Need to take off the paper. So this is some candy. I cannot half it, it's quite hard. I can try. Oh, it's hard. Oh wow. It is so hard. It tastes nice. This is reminding me of something. Poppy. Somehow it tastes like a poppy seed. What is it made of? I need to do some research about this. It kind of tastes like a poppy seed to me. Like poppy seed with caramel. It's okay, but it's quite hard. I don't know why Jamaican people like hard snacks and hard sweeties, because it's really paining my teeth now. Paining my teeth now. No, it tastes nice. Surprisingly, it tastes nice. It tastes like caramel. Caramel and poppy seed. I don't know what is it made of. Let me know in the comments if you know what is it made of. And also let me know if you know somebody who makes these at home, because I know some Jamaican people made it at home. Maybe somebody's grandmother is still making it. Let me know. Alright, so beer is done. Beer is finished. I tried all the snacks. I enjoyed them. But my teeth are starting hurting. My teeth are hurting from these two. From this sweetie, what is the name of it? Basta sweetie, Basta candy, and the police buttons is really like give me hard time on my teeth. So this is my least favorite, and these two are kind of my least favorite just because they're hard. Then these ones, I don't, it's okay. This is like 50-50. It's okay because the taste is quite sour, but sometimes I think I would crave it. Sometimes it's good. These ones are very nice. This is, I would say this may be my favorite biscuits now. I'm not a biscuit person, but me feel said that this is my favorite biscuits though. Well done, Barbados. And this is my absolute favorite, absolute best, absolute favorite. St. Mary's banana chips since 1929. Wow, lovely, 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 my favorite. Great, so that was my snack review. That's it. It's done. I tried everything. This was my first ever food review, so look forward to more on my channel. I'm gonna do more food reviews. My channel is all about food and cooking and the Jamaican Caribbean style of cooking. I love Ital food, and I just love Jamaican food, Jamaican beer, Jamaican snacks, Jamaican fruit. So there is more to look forward to, right? So subscribe to me and see you a little more. Irie.